Hello my colleagues, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you my top 3 stocks to buy in Nigeria in the second quarter of 2024 for massive profits. By the way, don't forget to do your own research with these companies, as I'm not giving you investment advice. I want to also encourage you all to smash the like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and as well join my business and investing community. Link will be in the description and comment section. All these are totally free of charge, and without much talk, let's jump right into the video. Let's go. The first stock I have on my list is Accessco. The company is a Nigerian financial service conglomerate with operations spanning banking, insurance, pension, and investment management. The company is often associated with its subsidiary, Access Bank PLC, which is one of the largest banks in Nigeria by customer base. Access Holding, through its subsidiary, Access Bank, has over 600 banking branches and service outlets across 12 countries with over 30 million customers. Jumping into the nitty-gritty, you will see that as of the moment of making this video, Access Bank is trading at around 17 naira 70 kobo per share. Access began the year with a share price of 23 naira 15 kobo per share, but has since lost around 24.8% of that price valuation. Well, I'm not here to talk about the negatives. I'm here to share why I think this stock might be a good buy for you. You see, Access Holding assets blew past 30 trillion naira just recently. In fact, as of March 31st of this year, they had a total assets that was worth around 32.6 trillion naira, representing a 22% increase from the 26.7 trillion naira in total assets that were recorded on the 31st of December 2023. In Q1 of 2024, Access Holding declared a profit after tax of 159.29 billion naira. Gross earning of the company stood at 974.24 billion naira, which is a 129.3% increase from the 424.92 billion naira gross earning it made in Q1 of March 2023. Now let's try to understand what was the key driver in Access Bank revenue and profit growth in Q1 of 2024. You see, Access Bank's great performance in Q1 of 2024 was as a result of an increase in net interest income, which went from 95.2 billion naira to 275.7 billion naira. Net interest income, which refers to the profits generated from loans Access Holding gave out. Additionally, the group experienced substantial growth in its net fees and commission income, which doubled year on year to 86.8 billion naira. Net fees and commission income refers to the money the bank made from charges. Let me not also forget to mention that another major driver of Access Holdings growth is foreign exchange. You know, they have some assets which are in USD, and with the naira to dollar fluctuation, this made them some money. Overall, I would say for that price of 17 naira 50 kobo per share, Access Bank is a good buy. The next stock we have is UPDC REITs. Founded on the 6th of June 2023 and sponsored by UACN Property Development Company PLC, UPDC REITs is a close-ended real estate investment trust that invests in the property market right here in Nigeria. When you hear the word close-ended, it means that investors cannot easily redeem their shares. The company focuses on investing in a diversified portfolio of income-generating commercial and residential properties in Nigeria, with the goal of providing investors with stable returns through regular dividends payouts, potentially benefiting from long-term property value appreciation. Jumping into the nitty-gritty, in Q1 of 2024, UPDC made a revenue of 977,218,000 naira, representing a 108.4% year-on-year increase when compared to the 468,816,000 naira they made in Q1 of 2023. This percentage increase is giving me signs that this year might likely be a good one for the company. Well, let's not be blinded. Let's look at the profit to see if this is true. In Q1 of 2024, UPDC made a whopping profit of 789,517,000 naira in profits, representing a 114% year-on-year increase compared to the 369 million 45,000 naira they made in Q1 of 2023. Now let's do more deep dive into this to really understand what drove this massive growth in revenue and profits in Q1 of 2024. Well, if you do a deep dive, you see that the major driver of this income increase was net gains on disposal of investment property, which has to do with properties that they invested into that they sold out. Or this particular property that they sold generated over 410 million naira for the company in Q1 of 2024, while generating nothing for them in the same period last year. In fact, it is worth knowing that over the years, a major revenue driver for the company has been rental income and not necessarily disposal of investment property. And in Q1 of 2024, this particular revenue source was actually hit. In Q1 of 2023, rental income of the company stood at 354,729,000 naira, while in Q1 of 2024 it stood at 349,737,000 naira, indicating a slight decline. Currently, UPDC stock is trading at 4 naira 50 kobo per share. In the past, the share price of this company has gone up as high as 11 naira per share, while this year the stock of the company has touched 7 naira before then actually falling drastically. Last year, Custodian Investment acquired over 51% of UACN, the company that manages UPDC REITs, and I believe they would be looking to make UPDC REITs better and much more profitable. Personally, I think at this price point, UPDC REITs is a good buy. Yes, the stock price might fall a little bit, but on the long run, I believe that UPDC REITs would bounce back. And by the way, they are one of the few known dividend-paying companies listed on the Nigerian Stock Exchange. Fidelity Bank is one of the leading commercial banks in Nigeria, providing a wide range of banking and financial services to individuals, businesses, and institutional clients. The bank was established in 1988 and has since grown to become one of the key players in the Nigerian banking industry. The bank operates a network of branches and ATMs across Nigeria and offers digital banking solutions to its customers. Fidelity Bank is currently run by Nneka Onyealiikpe and is traded on the NGX with the stock ticker symbol Fidelity BK. Jumping into the nitty-gritty, in Q1 of 2024, Fidelity Bank posted an impressive 120.1% growth in profit before tax, going from 17.9 billion naira at the end of Q1 of 2023 to 39.5 billion naira in Q1 of 2024. Gross earnings of the company, which is like the total income the bank generates from all its activities, increased by 89.9% year on year, going from 101.1 billion naira in Q1 of 2023 to 192.1 billion naira in Q1 of 2024. The increase was led by a combination of interest income and non-interest income. Interest income, like I've tried to explain earlier, is the money the bank earns by lending out money, while non-interest income is all other incomes the bank makes besides interest. It can include things like account maintenance charges, foreign exchange gains, and the rest, as long as it is not income generated from loans and interest paid on those loans that they give out. It is also worth knowing that for the past 4 years, Fidelity stock price has been on an upward trajectory, reaching its all-time high of 13 naira 35 kobo on the 8th of January 2024 this year, before then crashing down to 9 naira per share. Notwithstanding this, I believe that Fidelity Bank has the right team and potential to double in price few years from now. And as a long-term investor, buying the share now and dollar cost averaging it to 18 naira per share is a good strategy. Overall, guys, I believe these 3 companies I have talked about in this video have all it takes to bring profits to potential investors, and I would encourage anyone investing in them to also have a dollar cost averaging strategy in place for them. If you want me to make a video on how to do dollar cost averaging and how it basically works, leave a comment out. Maybe if I see much comments, I would go ahead and making that video. If you enjoyed this video, I have another one where I share my top 4 penny stocks to buy in Nigeria. Do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel, And don't forget to join my business and investing community, and see you on the next one. Deal.